everyone, I'm Nina Zadeh with Sidewalker Daily, and in today's video, I want to talk about how to use Instagram to grow your email list. Now, if you've worked with me before, whether it's on group coaching or one-on-one, you know how obsessed I am with email lists because I feel like having an email list is such a safe way to connect with your audience. So for me, like Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and all these platforms, like they're great and all, but we don't own them, right? Like basically we're at the hands of the algorithm gods. Like if one day Instagram just wants to change the algorithm, it can totally hurt our business. So I always suggest to really focus on growing our emails. Emails are important because first of all, they convert so well. Like for me, my email list is so important. I love my email list subscribers. I feel like I know them so well and they open up the content that I serve. Sometimes I'll put stuff on Instagram and I feel like the experience on Instagram is just different. People are like swiping, people are like passively scrolling, but in email, when you give someone your email, it's like giving them your phone number, right? So it's like really interesting, that connection. I mean, think about how many email lists you sign up for. Probably not a lot. So if you're on one, it means you care. So it's an amazing way to develop that trust with your audience. And if you're looking for an email platform to use, I'm going to link below a link to the platform that we use. Obsessed with it, so happy, and I'll include that link. But for this video, I want to talk about promotion because I know so many people have an Instagram account, but they also have an email list and they're like, how can I promote my email list on my account, or like how can I use Instagram to help get me subscribers for my list? So that's what we're going to talk about today. Now, before I jump in, I did just want to quickly mention, if you guys are interested in Instagram and growing that connection on Instagram, I'm going to link below our Insta Authentic. I am obsessed with this. It's over 400 prompts to keep the conversation going with your audience and build really good relationships. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. Turn on that little bell so that you get notified if you like all things Instagram, social media, and influencer marketing. Okay, so let's get to it. My first tip to promote your list on Instagram is straight up just put it in your bio. You need a call to action. In your bio, you can say something like, subscribe to our newsletter to receive X. Now, here's the thing. People don't just want to sign up to a newsletter, and the way you say it is really important. You want to show them the result. So is it join a community of 20,000 fitness enthusiasts, or join a community of this? People love community. Also ask yourself, like, what's the result? What are they going to gain by coming on your list? Is it just like weekly tips? Is it once a week, their email newsletter? Be really specific, but use your bio to drive it home. And if you don't want to put it in your bio forever, this is something that you can put in for a couple weeks, remove. Put in for a couple weeks and remove. You always want to test it. Now, my second tip, if you're not ready to commit and put it in your bio, then put it in your LinkedIn bio. This can be like your link tree. So a lot of times people have link trees or specific page on their website located to, dedicated to all the different links that they're trying to promote. We'll include one of those links as a way for someone to sign up to your newsletter. So you don't have to call it out as like the main link in bio. You just have, your links that you have as part of your regular links, but make sure to include your newsletter as one of them. Now, another thing I love about ConvertKit, which is the email platform that we use, and I'm going to leave a link for you guys below so you can join it too, is that they allow you to do custom landing pages. So by having a landing page, you can create one just for your Instagram followers that speaks very clearly to them. And within that, you can go ahead and say, hey, Instagram, to my Instagram tribe, here's the landing page that has the information that you want, whether it's promoting a freebie or promoting a class or whatever it is that you're getting them, enticing them to sign up to your list. You can do it by just having a landing page and putting it on your landing page. So create a landing page specifically dedicated to promote on Instagram. And again, you can promote it in a variety of different ways on Instagram, but the thought of having a landing page, that's where you want to be with this. Now, another tip to grow your email subscribers on Instagram is do a giveaway. If you organize a giveaway, whether it's with just by yourself, or maybe you collaborate with someone in your industry or someone similar, and the goal is, in order to, enter the giveaway, you have to sign up for an email. This works really, really well. So you would just create a giveaway the same way you would any other time, but instead of saying, okay, in order to enter this giveaway, you have to like and comment. In order to enter this giveaway, swipe up or click the link in bio to sign up to our email list. And that's like an entry point for you as a giveaway. Doing a giveaway is obviously a great way to not only reach out to someone else to be like, hey, let's collaborate. Are you looking to grow your list? We can share the emails. And this is obviously a tactic that so many people do to grow their lists on Instagram. Another tip for growing your list is straight up promote it. Stories, captions, static posts, reels, whatever. It's up to us as business owners to let people even know that this exists. Like sometimes people are like, oh, I'd love to be on your newsletter. I didn't even know it exists. So we have to incorporate that into our content strategy and let people know. So add it to your weekly or monthly promotions on your content calendar so that you know that you're doing the best you can to promote this newsletter. Now, if you stuck around to this part, then you're in luck, because this is probably the best way to incentivize anyone, is come up with a really good freebie and share it on Instagram. Now, if you have a really good freebie and you can make tons on Canva, maybe it's an ebook, maybe it's like a recipe, maybe it's a private video that obviously you can't do on Canva, but come up with a freebie, come up with an incentive, and then tell your audience, hey, like in order to get this incentive, this freebie, this ebook, this, private video, whatever, infographic, the options are endless. In order to get this freebie, you have to sign up. And that's a great way to entice your audience and let them learn that, hey, she has an email list, and B, this is a cool freebie that I'm going to get in exchange. Another cool way that you can engage your Instagram audience to join your list is by having them be a part of a decision and tell them that you're sharing the results of the decision on your list or on your email. So for example, let's just say you're choosing something between A and B, or let's just say you're asking your audience to vote for A or B. The results are going to be announced on my email list. Make sure to sign up to get it. That's such a small little way to let your audience know, oh, she even has a list or he has a list, and I want to know what it is. I'm willing to sign up to learn. So you can totally implement something like that. Another tip to grow your email list via Instagram is hosting a Zoom call or hosting a webinar and having it be registration based. So that way people have to register to join, and through the registration, you're able to collect the email subscribers that way. It's an awesome way to just put everything together and also add value to your community by giving them a free webinar or a free Zoom call. So I hope you guys like this video and you are into it as much as I am. I love everything email list. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Fuel my fire. Turn on that little notification bell so that you know the next time we come out with a video, and I will see you in the next video.